what colour are these lights down here? And if you say white, I'm going to ask you, are you sure that you're looking at white here? So this is a white wall that it's being reflected off of, or a mostly white wall. And if I turn all the lights up, you'll be able to sort of see it's a mostly white wall. So really, what colour are you looking at there? And how certain are you? So it's maybe a bit bluish, but is this really white light that you're looking at? So these are the sort of LEDs that they actually have in the solar roadway panel. But we'll come back to that shortly. So the first thing I'm going to do is just move the LEDs down onto a dark background like that. So what I've got here is a diffraction grating, 500 lines per millimeter, and what this does is essentially the same thing that a prism does. This will actually split up the light by its various different colors. But this, of course, is fantastic because you can actually look all the way through it like that. So you actually put these things right up to your eye and you see the most fantastic spectra of the most mundane objects, like, say, for instance, this LED strip here. So we're going to turn our lights on, and here is our diffraction grating, and straight away you can see all the different lines from the LED strip. So you've got three distinct colors. You've got one blue, one green, and one red, which is actually combining together to give what looks like white light, although you can see obviously it's got a little more blue in it than the other two. So I can actually set that to scroll through the various colors. So you actually see what looks like green is mostly green, what looks like blue is mostly blue, pink is blue and red. Don't know what that is, but it's a bit of all of them. Pink and red, red is just red, yellow, and so it scrolls through the colors. It's just absolutely fantastic. So I can actually come in really quite close to this, but as you can see, it's a bit whited out. So what I want to do is I want to get rid of most of that light. Now, thankfully, I've got these little polarization filters here. So if I get my polarization filters in, as I rotate them, what you'll find is I start cutting out progressively more and more of the light until eventually, what you'll see is you get down to just those three little LEDs. Okay, so now as we rotate our filters, you actually get to see the three little LEDs, which you could see previously, and now I can actually put that on too. So now you can just set it to scroll through the various lights.